Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. In spite of repeated calls, none appears on behalf of the appellants and on account thereof as held by the Honorable Apex Court in K.S. Panduranga versus State of Karnataka and others, reported in 2013 (2 PLJR 276. Records have been minutely gone through and the appeal is being disposed of accordingly. Ram Pratap Paswan, PW3, had filed written report on 3/8/1995, disclosing therein that on the same day at about 7 a.m. while he was coming to his house from his dera, he found Ashok Paswan, Subhas Paswan, Surendra Paswan, Hardev Paswan engaged in closing the public road, for which the informant made protest, and on account thereof the accused persons abused, caught hold of and threw him on the ground. Accused Hardev Paswan sat over his chest and tried to cut his neck by means of garsa. However, blow caused injury near his neck, on account of which blood oozed out. On hue and cry, his brother Kamleswari Paswan, son Sohan Paswan, came and they were also assaulted by the accused persons. Accused Hardev Paswan snatched ₹500 as well as wristwatch from his possession. Harilal Paswan, Hari Shankar Paswan, Ramadev Paswan have been named as a witness. On the basis of aforesaid written report, Khagadia PS case number 213/1995 was registered, followed with investigation as well as submission of charge sheet, leading to conduction of trial, meeting with ultimate result, subject matter of the instant appeal. The defense case, as is evident from mode of cross-examination as well as from the statement recorded under section 313 CRPC, is that of complete denial of concurrence. It has also been pleaded that prosecution party illegally advanced their plea over the land of accused persons, which they refuted, and on account thereof accused persons were severely assaulted, resulting institution of Khagadia PS case number 212/1995, wherein, as is evident from the exhibits, prosecution parties have been convicted. In support of their plea, though none has been examined, however, exhibits have been brought up on record. In order to substantiate its case, prosecution had examined altogether 7 PWs, out of whom PW1 is Ramudgar Paswan, PW2 Kamleswari Paswan, one of the injured, PW3 Ram Pratap Paswan, informant, PW4 Harilal Paswan, PW5 Dr. Naval Kishore Singh, who had examined the injured, PW6 Mahendra Prasad Singh, IO and PW7, a formal witness, as well as had also exhibited exhibit of signature of PW3 over written report, Exhibit 2 series respective injury reports, Exhibit 3 signature of officer in charge over formal FIR, though not DW had been examined. However, Exhibit A judgment of Khagadia PS number 212/1995. Stop.